In this video we have the Loolinn X26, and this is a cheap drone. It's not a camera drone. It's a cheap little kid's drone that you can fly around indoors and be safe. It has propeller guards around it, and it also has these obstacle avoidance sensors on it to stop it from hitting anything. They work fairly well when it's a wide open spot. It doesn't work so well when you're going through halls, and we'll show you that in a little bit. So it comes with the controller. Here's the box that it came in. Inside we have the user manual. 2 batteries inside, there's one in the drone, and these are 1S 700 milliamp hour batteries, and we'll see how long this flies. Some extra propellers, 2 battery chargers, and a screwdriver. Alright, so we're going to fly it indoors, do some 3D flips, try out headless mode, and see how the obstacle avoidance does. And then we might take it outside since there's a little bit of wind, not too much, and see how much wind it can take. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take off. And I'll just fly it around here a little bit. Now I'm checking my obstacle avoidance. So I'm going to let it go ahead and try to hit the walls when it's in the first speed. And it has sensors on all 4 sides, so we'll try those out. So just like the other Loolinn drone that I reviewed, these are cheap little drones. They're definitely made for kids. They're not professional in any way, shape, or form. These are just meant to get you in the air and fly a little bit, similar to the cheap drones that you get at Walmart or anywhere else. Okay, I'll also switch it into speed 2 and see how that does. Notice in speed 2 there's no obstacle avoidance. So you really don't have to worry about hitting anything because it does have the prop guards and it's really small. And you don't have to worry about anybody getting hurt by getting hit with the prop. Okay, here we're going to try some flips. We'll try a couple forward flips and then try some directional, and we'll see how that looks. Now I'm going to take it through the hall and try out the obstacle avoidance. And you notice that when it sees an obstacle, it just pushes the drone to one side. If you're going through a hall, it's not going to stay in the middle of the hallway. It's just going to find a wall and push it to one side. So it'll probably end up hitting the other wall. It definitely will. So that really doesn't work well for hallways. It's more for if you have a wide open room like we just did and you're flying it around, that you can try not to hit the wall. So now I'm going to switch it into the second gear. This is the high speed gear, and when you have this on, there's no obstacle avoidance. So if you know you're going to go through a hall or something like that, just go ahead and flip it to number 2 and you can ride through no problem. Just know that you won't have any obstacle avoidance. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and take it outside and fly it around a little bit. And we'll go ahead and try to flip it. And if you're getting into trouble, if you notice the wind done got a hold of it or if it's out of your control, just go ahead and hit the land button and it'll pretty much land where it is. So we're just going to go ahead and use the rest of this video just to run it out and see how long it takes for the battery to drain. Looks like we're about out of battery. It's going to go ahead and land. It might land a little hard, but again, you don't have to worry. It's so light and it has the prop guards that you're not going to damage your drone. Alright, that's it for the Loolinn X26. Again, this is not a camera drone. It's just a simple drone to fly around the house, take outside if there's no wind at all, and that's pretty much it. And again, these propellers make it real nice to fly around pets or in the house so you don't damage anything around people. Nobody will get hurt by these props because it's nice and protected by this prop guard. And also you won't damage your drone if you hit the walls. You see in the video I hit the walls plenty of times and there's nothing wrong with this little drone. Okay, so I'll put the flight time on one battery below, and it does come with 3 batteries, so you'll have plenty of time to fly this little thing. Alright, that's it for this video. Tell me what you think of this little drone, and we'll be doing some more reviews. Until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.